Hi everyone, and welcome to 2550 San Gabriel Way, Unit 301 in the beautiful city of Corona. I am Janelle Garrison with the Garrison's Real Estate Group. I am so excited to share this home with you today. Fabulous top floor unit, vaulted ceilings in the living space, wide open views to the pastoral tree line in the background, fabulous open concept living, and you live like almost two primary suites. Come on in, let me show you around. Welcome to the great room concept living in this home. You've got a great dining L, kitchen area with a breakfast counter bar open to the living space, and with a great modification. You open these double doors and you have a walk-in pantry space and your laundry facilities. Your main primary bedroom gets loads of natural light. It's complemented by plantation shutters, a walk-in closet, an attached primary bath with large vanity space, tub shower combination. It's really a great room. The secondary bedroom makes a perfect office, a second bedroom, exercise room, so many utilities it could offer. You've got direct access to the balcony through newer vinyl sliding glass doors, and again complemented with recessed lighting and plantation shutters. And you have access to a full hall bath across the hallway that also makes a great bathroom for guests. One of my favorite things about this home is this partially covered large balcony. So whether you want to sit and enjoy the covered area or be out here in the sunshine, you have the possibility of doing both. And look at this beautiful scenery, all of these trees, the mountains in the backdrop, the gorgeous sky, not to mention this fabulous utility closet out here, which is great for storing anything you might want immediate access to. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. In addition to this amazing home, it also comes with one covered private parking space along with a secondary private uncovered parking space, in addition to multiple guest spots right below. Fabulous clubhouse amenities, pool, spa, great location. Can't wait for you to take a look at this home.